Okay, so hey guys, I am back with an updated video of the previous video that I did of my MCM bag that I received. That was, first of all, not new, and then second of all, it had a couple of marks and stuff on it. So I did contact Bloomingdale's, and I spoke to a real nice guy, and I told him how it was shipped or whatever, and I told him, I said I would like a brand new bag that's never been opened, tampered with, anything. And so he apologized, and y'all, I got my new bag. I was kind of skeptical at first because this box is actually smaller than the other box that I got, and I was like, they done sent me another bag that they done stuffed in this box. So when I opened the box, I was shocked or whatever. So here how it was packaged. And here is the bag, brand new bag, excited about that. And then here's my little receipt. And they actually shipped it out really, really fast, so I was surprised about that. And they did put me a thank you card in here. And it's for an extra 15% off of my next online purchase. So there's that. I thought that was nice. I'm sure I'll find something. But y'all, here's my bag. I got a brand new bag. So, this is the way it should have came in the first place. So, here's my bag, y'all. Everything is still wrapped up in the paper. So, let me show you guys my bag again. So they got this wrapped. Yay. I actually have plastic on my handles. Yay. So here's my bag. Ooh, this bag is so soft. So y'all, here's my bag. It even smells good. So here it is. Let me take that off. I'm not going to take the plastic off of the handles because I'm not getting ready to carry the bag just yet. I'm looking for some scissors. I'm not going to carry the bag just yet, so I'm going to leave that on there. But let me take this. Because I need to find me a wallet. So I'm going to wait till they have another sale and maybe I can get me a wallet. But here's the inside of the bag. And like I said in my other video, it is a reversible bag. Let me take this out. Okay, let me put that to the side. But here's the front part of the bag. Nice. There's nothing. I don't see any kind of markings or anything on the bag like the other one. So that's a good thing. And then here's the bottom part of the bag. And then here's the tag. The bag retails for $6.50. It was on sale for $4.55. And then I had a gift card of $150. I actually had 2 more gift cards that I could have used towards it, but I didn't. I'm trying to save it for something else. Now, the only thing I didn't like about this bag, and I know they couldn't put pockets in here, but that it didn't have an inside pocket, and I know they couldn't because it is a reversible bag. But I guess that's why they gave you the little pouch thingy. But all in all, still a nice, cute bag. And then the sides do cinch in. And let me give you guys the measurements of the bag. It does have a 9-inch drop in the handles. And the dimensions are 14 inches wide, 6 inches in diameter, and then 11 inches in the height. So, pretty nice size bag. And then it has the closed clasp closure, which these two in the inside, you can attach that to that or whatever. Anyway, something like that. And it has the removable zip pouch is 11 inches wide and 8 inches in height. And it's the signature logo monogram faux leather detailing. It has the gold, well no, this is not the gold tone. This is the not gold, but this is like the silver hardware. And then it has the protective leather feet. And then also on the front, the little front plaque, it does have a serial number on there, and it has its own unique serial number. So there's that. So that's why you got to be careful when you're buying from other sites like Poshmark and all that stuff, because there was a video that this one lady did that she had bought a fake one off of Poshmark or whatever. So they say to make sure you I guess just there's some way you can look up the serial number and it'll tell you if it's real or not. I'm not sure about all that, because like I said, this is my first MCM bag, so that's new. So yep, I don't know. Yep, I like my little bag. That's so cute. But like I said before, I do want the cognac color. And I also want the beige. And then that pink is looking really, really cute too. So, let me... And this little pouch thing, it actually can be used as a bag all by itself. Because they do sell these separately. So, and they like $300 or something. So I think what you're getting with this and that bag, you're actually getting a great deal, because it's like a 2-for-1. So here is this, and like I said, it's 11 inches wide and 8 inches tall. Oh, here's my little dust bag. I forgot about that. So here's my dust bag. Large dust bag. Cute, cute, cute. And then here is that. Here's the card. And you're supposed to put your style number, your date of purchase, and your store that you got it from. And then here's the instructions to tell you how to take care of it. And then like the maintenance guide. So there's all that little important information. And this is the 1-year limited warranty card, so that's good to know. But yeah, y'all, I finally got my brand new bag, so I guess I will be keeping it. And yeah, so I'm excited about that, and I am glad they replaced it with a decent brand new bag. So if you guys have any questions, just to let me know. And then once I carry it and all that stuff, I'll do a what's in my bag. I got to get better with doing the what's in my bag stuff, because I suck. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.